Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about something that honestly caught me off guard, in a good way. If you've been exploring ways to make money online but you're just tired of all the noise, all the pressure to be a content machine, or the endless chase for clients, I think you're really going to want to hear this. I recently came across something called PDF Farming 4.0, and after digging deep into it, I can confidently say this is one of the most interesting, low-pressure business systems I've seen in a long time. Let me be clear, this isn't one of those overhyped get-rich-quick things. It's not about becoming a guru or dancing on TikTok every day. It's actually the opposite. PDF Farming 4.0 is built for people who want to build real income streams without showing their face, without building a personal brand, and without having to post all day, every day. If that already sounds refreshing, stick with me. The creators, Greg and his team, designed this because they saw how burned out people were getting trying to follow the usual online business advice. You know the drill. Build a brand, post non-stop, grow an audience, and hope someone buys something. Instead, PDF Farming takes a much more chill and practical route. You create digital PDF guides that solve a real problem or give people helpful insights. Then you sell them using short 5-second videos that drive traffic straight to your product. Now, here's the cool part. You don't need to be famous, you don't need to be on camera, and you definitely don't need a team. Everything is broken down in a very beginner-friendly way. They actually walk you through how to choose profitable topics, how to use templates and AI prompts to make your PDFs fast, and how to post videos that get pushed out by TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts algorithms. Even if you've never created a digital product before, this system gives you the tools to do it the right way. One of the standout things for me was watching how they actually build accounts from scratch. They don't just tell you what to do, they show you. You get to see the step-by-step process in real time, which is super valuable. They also teach you how to set up your sales pages using proven templates that are already converting cold traffic into paying customers. This part alone could save you so much time and stress. What makes this even more powerful is how they teach you to scale. It's not just about making a few sales here and there. Once you find a video that performs well, like one that gets over 10,000 views and starts bringing in sales, you can turn that into an ad and let it keep running. They even show you how to structure your offers so that someone who buys a simple PDF for under $50 can later buy a higher ticket product that solves a deeper problem. This approach increases your customer value without you needing to do one-on-one work or support. And yes, you can start without spending much money. They guide you through using free or low-cost tools to get everything up and running. If you want to scale faster with ads, the option is there, but it's not required to get started. I really liked that flexibility because it means almost anyone can jump in, regardless of their budget. I've seen stories from people who made their first sale within a day or two. Some scaled to a few $1,000s in their first month just by following the steps. Of course, results vary and this isn't magic. It still takes action, consistency, and a bit of trial and error. But the system itself is simple enough to follow and smart enough to work. What I appreciate most is the freedom this model gives you. You can stay behind the scenes, work from your phone or laptop, and build real income without being glued to social media or constantly creating content. It's all about planting digital seeds, those 5-second videos, and letting them grow over time into passive income streams. And once you've built one PDF farm, you can create another, and really scale this into something sustainable. So if you've been looking for a business model that respects your time, your privacy, and your sanity, PDF Farming 4.0 is honestly worth checking out. It's clear, it's proven, and it's built to work even if you're starting from zero. I think it's one of the smartest paths out there right now for creating digital income in a way that actually fits into your life, not takes it over. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you've tried PDF farming or are thinking about jumping in. I'll catch you in the next video.